What if the reason you feel lost isn't because your life is falling apart, but because life is finally trying to push you somewhere new? You wake up tired, unmotivated, scrolling for hours, wondering why everyone else seems to know what they're doing while you're just trying to survive the day. You keep telling yourself you'll figure it out one day, but that day never comes. And a part of you fears you might stay this way forever. But here's the truth, nobody told you. Feeling lost doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're searching. Something inside you knows the life you're living isn't the one you're meant for. That heavy, restless feeling you hate so much. It's not a curse. It's a compass pointing you away from the wrong path. You've been believing a lie. You think everyone else has life figured out? They don't. Everyone is confused, insecure, and scared. Some people are just better at hiding it. But you're actually questioning your life? And that alone puts you ahead of people who stopped questioning years ago. You're not stuck because you're weak. You're stuck because you've spent years trying to live a life designed by other people, your family, society, expectations. You keep trying to fit into a version of yourself that was never yours. And of course you feel drained. Of course you feel lost. You've been walking someone else's path. Here's the real reason you feel directionless. You've been waiting for clarity instead of creating it. You keep expecting purpose to show up like a dramatic moment in a movie, but purpose doesn't appear. It's built one small decision at a time. And you don't need to know your whole future. You just need to take the next step that feels even slightly right. How many times have you said, I'll start when I'm ready? But what if the truth is, you only become ready after you start? Stop asking, what's my purpose? Start asking, what's one thing I can do today that doesn't make me feel numb? Call someone, learn something, try something. Anything that moves you even 1 inch forward, because inches turn into miles. You don't need a big life plan. You need movement. Purpose grows from action, not overthinking. And the moment you take responsibility for even the smallest next step, that's the moment you've stopped being lost and start becoming someone new. You've been waiting for a sign. This is it. You are not too late. You are not falling behind. You're not broken. You are a work in progress. And progress starts the second you decide you deserve better than the life you're just surviving. If you're lost right now, listen carefully. You won't stay this way. But you must move. One decision, one tiny action today can change everything a year from now. So before you scroll away, ask yourself one thing. Are you finally ready to build the life that's meant for you?